Hey guys, FrugalPrepper. Just another quick video. I wanted to kind of do a book review. I haven't seen a lot of those out there, so I thought I would talk about this book. It's called The Urban Survival Guide. It's Learn the Secrets to Urban Survival to Keep You Alive After Man-Made Disasters, Natural Disasters, and Breakdowns in Civil Order. It's by David Morris. It's a fairly thick book. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed, folks. 198 pages. Um, Now, from a frugality standpoint, I wouldn't necessarily say that in this book there are a lot of things about frugality, but I think it's an important book, and I think it's important that I shared it with you only because there's a lot of good information in here about folks, especially if you're prepping, no matter where you live, and obviously this is focused on urbanites, if you will, but there's a lot of good information in this book on how to prepare, what type of things to prepare, what type of threats. And the thing that I like about the book is it's actually at the end of each chapter has a homework assignment. So it starts from just situational awareness, goes through OPSEC or operational security, and then it goes into things like first aid. It goes into things like pandemics, lessons learned from Katrina, means of communication. There's just a whole slew of stuff. Now, I found this book on Amazon. It was used. Does not look used. Didn't feel used. No crack in the spine. It was like $9, and I would urge you to check it out, even if you know somebody that um, owns it, if they can loan it to you. And that is one of the things actually I wanted to mention on the lines of along the lines of frugality is if you have other folks that you work with or talk with about preparedness, um, think about investing in some of these books and think about sharing them amongst the group. When you go out on Amazon, there's lots and lots of books out there, and I'd be remiss if were to say that you should buy them all because there's not a lot of good information amongst some of them. Some of them are interesting reading, but don't have a lot of value. Some have a little bit of value. Some have a lot of value. And I would urge you to check the books out, but I think to do so collectively. This is a good book. This would be a good place to start. I don't know if if you have a spouse or a loved one or somebody that's not into preparedness. I don't think I would start with this book. But again, I'll certainly do a couple more reviews. Again, Urban Survival Guide, David Morris. Good reading. So check it out.